Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. This Silverado is featured in the LT Trail Boss trim and is a glacier blue metallic paint finish. It includes features such as our 2-inch factory lift, heated front seats. We have our Google Assistant infotainment system with Google Maps, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. We have a powered sunroof, trailer tow package with an integrated trailer brake controller, as well as our surround view camera, and much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks. Below we have power mirrors, power windows, and our rear window lock. Some storage and a Bose speaker in the bottom of the door. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have our electronic parking brake, transfer case settings with our drive mode as well as tow haul mode, and our exterior and interior lighting controls. Power driver seat finished in our jet black leather. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, you can see our display cluster, have a fully digital information system where we can also adjust our layout and what is in each location. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel buttons. Right-hand side, we have our voice recognition, hands-free, as well as the controls for our driver information system in our display cluster. Paddle shifters on either side. Moving to the middle, we can see our Google Infotainment system. If we go into audio, you can see we have AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, Google News, Google Podcasts, as well as USB. Home button in the bottom left or below next to our volume. Google Maps, a phone connection. Our cameras for our 360-degree camera with our front and rear adaptive guidelines and rear hitch guidelines. Google Assistant, Google Play Store, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Then we can also see our trailering, climate, an available Wi-Fi hotspot, My Chevrolet, Google News, and Google Podcasts. Across the side, we have our quick keys, and then below we have our home button and our volume control. Then we have our lane keep assist, parking sensors, auto stop start, power tailgate, hazard lights, traction control, downhill assist, and a way to take down all the windows at the same time. Push to start ignition next to our integrated trailer brake controller. Heated seat back and cushion for the driver and the passenger on the other side. Also next to the passenger are USB and USB-C. Dual zone climate control, we can adjust the knobs individually, and we also have our fan control in the center, AC, sync, front and rear defrost, as well as an auto mode. Some storage below that, 2 cup holders, some more storage throughout, and our shifter. You can see our key fob here. On our key fobs, we have locks and unlocks, remote start, power tailgate, and our alarm system. The front of our center console, we have a wireless charging pad. Center console's finished in a leather finish, some storage up top. Inside, we have some shallow storage that's removable, some deep storage, and at the front, a USB-C, USB, our wireless charging pad, as well as a 120-volt plug. Moving to the passenger seat, we can see it is also finished in our jet black leather and is heated for the passenger. Above the rear view mirror, we have our OnStar buttons in the front, lighting controls for our dome lights, as well as our dome lights that can be hit by a press of a button, slide tilt sunroof, power sliding third rear window, universal garage door opener, and then lastly, our sunroof in the front of the vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving to our front tire and rim, we can see our 2-inch factory lift, as well as our black alloy rim with our Chevrolet bowtie center cap and an all-terrain tire. Moving out, we have black finished mirrors, as well as black finished door handles. The back of the vehicle, we have our Trail Boss badging, as well as our corner bumper steps. All the way around at the back, we can see we have black bowtie, as well as black Silverado and LT badging, dual chrome exhaust tips, and our trailer tow package with our pin connectors above. A powered multi-pro tailgate. In the bed of the truck, we have our in-bed lighting, a 120 volt plug, as well as our cable tie downs in the front and the back, and our spray-on bed liner. Moving into the back of the vehicle, see we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our Bose speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat, 2 cup holders in the center console, as well as 2 vents and a USB-C and USB for charging. Moving to the seats in the second row, we have our same jet black leather that was featured in the front of the vehicle and a 60/40 fold-up bench. In the center seat, we have 2 foldable cup holders with some storage in the center, power sliding third rear window behind it. In the outboard seats, we have our storage package with some storage in the back of the seats, as well as under-seat storage that's accessible by pushing up on the front of the seats. And we can see we also have our vinyl all-weather mats. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.